Our goal is to not just rely on the compression clamp, which normally clamps the drain in place to hold the roof. Our job is to go into the drain bowl as much as we can to make it as seamless as possible. So the more that I can make your roof like a bathtub, the more that I'm able to go from here all the way to there in one piece. So theoretically, if I plug the drain, fill it up, it can't leak. And we're the only product on the planet that takes a roof and makes it one encapsulated piece. Everything else in the industry is all based on seams. So this is simple and this is strong enough, and I'll show you guys a quick demo. So the same product that we install out of a bucket on your roof that I just showed you, we can encapsulate a cinder block. You know how if we drop a concrete cinder block that it shatters, right? But once you WeatherWeld it, okay, that concrete, the first time that I hit it, shattered already. So the WeatherWeld is the only thing holding this block in place. But let me ask you guys another question. What's the only, or how would you waterproof this block if this was on your roof and make it seamless? There's no commercially available product that you can install that would make this thing seamless, except for something like this out of a bucket. So we do a couple things for people like you, or for agencies like you. And we do work with hundreds of agencies around you right now, including some cities that are close by. We do full roof systems and full roof system design that go out to public bid. You can purchase it through CMAS, that contractors can buy, that you guys can buy through a contractor. And we also sell it as a 5-gallon bucket. But the real value in what we do is in our service. Meaning we'll come out and do an assessment for your building for free, write you a full roof report on what the roof has and what it needs.